Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I'm going to show you how to use portable apps on any PC that you want. First of all, go to portableapps.com and download the application. Let's just scroll. You can use all of these apps, the free ones that are available here to download, so you do not need to install them anywhere. Just download them, install them on your USB, and then use them whenever you want and wherever you want. You can use any PC, or it is also available on Mac and Linux as well. So first we need to download it just right here. Okay, now as you can see, it is now downloaded. Let me just go and install it, set it up. And here we have three options that we can choose from. New install, I'm gonna go with new install, and I'm gonna use the portable version, which is literally the famous and the most usable one. Okay, let's just select the location. You please note that you can also copy and paste it to USB and use it wherever and whenever you want. You just need a spare computer and then plug the USB, and then you'll be able to use all of your apps and settings through the USB on that computer. That's nice, right? Now let's just wait for it to check for apps. And here we are given all the apps that you can choose from, and also you can see the download size and the size after the installation. First I'm gonna show you if I'm gonna download the simple app, that is the 7-zip. This is very lightweight, so it's gonna be easy for me to show. Let's wait for it to finish the downloading and installation. Also, you can use multiple apps like this. You can use website browsers, office apps, and whatever you want. Also, now I'm gonna show you how you can use that. I'm gonna search, and here you can see the 7-zip is available, and it's the portable version. The 7-zip is now installed. You can change the settings, and the settings will be saved right here. You just need to copy all of these files and copy them over to your USB, then you can use all of your apps via USB. Easy, right? Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.